Okay, so we're live here from InvestorsGoneWild.com, and we have our team member, Kyle, that's on location on Taft Road. Kyle, could you go ahead and show us, you know, the house as you're inside the house? It's kind of a little dark there. Can you hear me? Kyle, can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Hold on, okay? Yeah, can you hear me? Hey, Kyle, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, Kyle. Hey, Kyle, can you hear me? Kyle, are you not able to hear me? Because I'm trying to talk from the computer. I'm talking from the computer. You can't hear me?
Can you hear me?
No, I can hear you on the phone, but not on the computer. Let me, hold on. Let me disconnect. I'll disconnect. And if you want to come back into the room, so that way I can listen to you. Do you want to come back again?
Hold on, wait. I was already connected. I was connected.
Yeah, you're connected. I can see you, but somehow we can't hear if I disconnect from here.
Hold on, wait. Hold on.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's go ahead and okay, show me the house there, please.
You see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Yeah.
Okay. It's a trash can. This is before. So
Okay,
you see
cool.
it's almost about full. I'm walking in the front door. Got all the stuff out of the front room. It was, I think, 2 beds in here, headrest, a couch over here, and another smaller couch. The front room cleared out. A bunch of clothes and miscellaneous stuff in this room.
Yeah, could you
But
go a
then,
little bit slow, Kyle, so I can see exactly what got cleaned here? Okay, that's a little.
okay.
Is there a way
So
to?
back to the front.
Yeah. Okay.
Back to the front room.
Yeah. If you can
So
go back to the front room. Yeah, that's the front room.
yeah, we got all the big major stuff out of the front room. We're going back into the first room in the front of the house.
Mm-hmm.
A bunch of stuff in here. You couldn't see the floor. The floor was cluttered. We got all the closets cleaned out.
Mm-hmm.
We got all the clothes cleaned out. I've been airing the house out. Every time I come out, I've been opening the windows, letting the house breathe. So this is the front room. We're going back to the living room area, and then into the kitchen. Because I've been kitchen, pretty much it was tables all along this wall here.
Is that the
Stove
kitchen?
over here. Yep. We got the stove over here, still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with that. Probably be getting rid of that. The whole counter was cluttered with a bunch of stuff. That was all cleaned out. We moved our refrigerator back in. The floor was also a bunch of stuff that cleaned up. Cleaned all the cabinets, inside of the cabinets. countertops. Moved our refrigerator back. Those are the 3 rooms. And we started the patio plan. I don't know if you remember what the patio looked like. We got the whole patio cleared off. There was some chairs over there, some lawn chairs, a couple old tables over here. It was a couple items right here we got cleared out. Had a couple items around the back of the house we got cleared out. Still a work in progress, but we can get good progress.
So what about the other rooms? What's left in the other 2 rooms? I saw the kitchen. Let's look at the bathroom as well as the 2 other rooms.
Let me see if I can get an additional light. Hold on one second. You got your phone on you? You got your phone on you?
Yeah, this is the, what is this, the laundry room?
Yeah, laundry room.
Yeah, this needs to, all of this thing needs to go.
Okay. So that's where we started at today. And now here's the rest of what we started in the laundry room. That's what we get cleaned out today. Now it's the bathroom next. There's some small stuff in the bathroom. Small stuff. Just the initial cleanup, get everything out of the way. So
Let's look at the bathtub of the bathroom. The bathtub of the bathroom, I think that needed some sort of a scrubbing or cleaning.
Yeah, we're not that far yet. This is the initial cleanup. We're getting all the big stuff out of it. Getting all the big part of it. We're going to get this again as well. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
We're going to get this fumigated as well today, but with all the big stuff out. That's what the initial day was, and that's what today is. And then we'll come back and do a more detailed clean out. We'll stuff, we'll clean out, clean the toilet area, and assess what else
What's
needs to be done.
that? Can you put some light on that bathroom tub? Is that like by scrubbing we can kind of get rid of it, or what is it?
Yeah, that can be scrubbed. That's just something. Yep.
What is that?
That can leak, a water leak. It just accumulates,
Oh, it's looking dark. Like, can you scrub it and take it off that bathtub?
I said I was going to, what do you mean?
That dark thing in the back. Yeah, that one, that dark thing. What is that? What's that? What was that, Kyle?
Clean. It's a matter of scrubbing that up and cleaning that up.
Okay, got it. Okay.
So then we got 2 major rooms, back room. This stuff all this back room here.
What's this room?
This is the back. This is the far back room to the far back left of the house.
Oh, got it. Okay, so this also needs to go, eh?
Yep.
The drawer looks good. You can keep that drawer.
Keep that in there?
Yeah, just keep it there, yeah.
Okay. Then it's the major room where the most stuff is.
Is this the big one, the master bedroom?
Yes.
Okay. So you think you'd be done with this master bedroom today?
That's the goal. We got this is the main room. We starting in this area here. Where this part is. This is where we started today. And hopefully we can get done with the bathroom in here. At least putting a nice den in this room by the end of the day. It should be just about, this room should be almost done. You gotta go back in this closet. There's a lot of stuff back here.
Yeah, maybe put that in like a donation box, like a garbage bag.
Yeah. Yep, it is a lot of stuff back here.
So how many rooms are left total? 1 room or 2 rooms?
3.
What's that?
3 rooms. To clean up?
Yeah, cleanup. I thought you did. You already finished that the main room and the one bedroom. So two more rooms, right?
No, we got the front room. We got living room area. We got this front room cleaned out. We got the kitchen cleaned out. We have the washroom area to go, the bathroom, and the master room, and we have 3 bedrooms to go. The first
Okay.
day, we got the living room, the front room, and the patio cleaned out. Living room, front room, patio, and kitchen cleaned out.
Yeah. Okay. So cool. So, let me know before leaving how much more stuff has been cleaned up so we can kind of give that update also. And
Okay.
then you're planning to come back tomorrow again?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm planning. Yep, I'm planning on coming back tomorrow with a play about air. After me and you discuss, speak with what else needs to be done, and then we'll go from there. But yes, I am planning on coming back tomorrow.
So, okay. So before you leave, can you call me so that we can see the progress and I share that with the investors?
Perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks so much. This looks like a great job, man. Did you see the landscape of how clean it became so quickly?
Yeah.
That was a lot of work.
Yep. Yeah.
Let's look at the
It,
garbage can, man. Oh my God, look at that trash.
that's one day. That's from day one. That's all day one. We haven't even started picking with this stuff today. This is all day one.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, probably. Try and squeeze as much as you can, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. We may need to. Hopefully, we can get it all in. But this is all day one.
Wow, that's amazing. This is a great job, man. Kyle, we'll stay connected. Let me know once you're done today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks so much. Bye for now.